On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2016 Cedar Creek 36 CKTS. This triple-slide fifth wheel, by Forest River, offers spacious living accommodations and all the comforts of home. Two large, opposing slide-outs create a dramatic open effect, adding plenty of room and elegance in the main living and kitchen area. As you enter, to the left is a freestanding table with two bench-style seats, and a comfortable love seat perfect for relaxing in front of the fireplace. Above the fireplace is a stereo system and large retractable TV. There is a sofa with two end tables and overhead cabinets running the width of the back wall. The kitchen is rounded out with beautiful cabinetry and trim, extra counter space, and an island with a double kitchen sink. There is also a 3-burner range top, overhead microwave, pantry, refrigerator, and lots of overhead cabinet storage. This modern kitchen is a perfect space to prepare meals, enjoy dinner, and relax comfortably with family and friends. Up the steps towards the front of the fifth wheel, the bathroom is on your left. It includes a vanity sink, medicine cabinet, residential-size shower with seat, toilet, and overhead cabinet. The private front bedroom offers a queen bed slide-out with a shelf on either side and plenty of space all around. There is also a dresser, flat-screen TV, large wardrobe with shelves and drawers, and a washer-dryer connection on the side. We have hundreds of pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.